Hola chicos, bienvenidos a la clase de español. I am your Spanish teacher, Miss Grimaldi, Maestra Grimaldi, and I wanted to show you guys our website because I want you to know what to do when you come and visit us, visit me in my classroom every week. You have a lot of things you could do in our class. And when I say class, I mean virtual class, but you have many things you can go practice and do. So, first things first, your agenda is right in the middle. Okay. It says right here, hoy es viernes, today is Friday, es el 21 de agosto. So, this is your Spanish day to do specialties Spanish. And that doesn't mean that you have to be here on Fridays only. You can actually click on that link anytime you want and practice anytime you want. I just have that it's Friday because it's the day that I post the new assignment. And so you'll have a different assignment every week when you come to our website. And when you come here, you're going to notice this. You're going to see these gray arrows pointing at things. When you see that, it means that that item that it's pointing to is clickable. So let's say this one right here is pointing to the ABCs, el abecedario. You're actually going to click on it and it's going to take you to a video that's going to practice the ABCs for you, with you. You have also a little Quizlet circle there. Now that is, so you have the video to watch. And if you click on this Quizlet little logo, it'll take you to the Quizlet vocabulary set for that poster. So it's taking you to the months of the year and the seasons for this poster. I put it on colors, days of the week. You also have it on the Spanish speaking countries and their capitals. You also have it over here where that's it. Those are the 4 spots that you have. You also have these books over here on the side that it's videos to links. It's links to videos that you can read books in Espanol. Now, you're probably drawn to these little icons right here, right? Look at this. It's like a little game control. Those are websites that you can go play games in Espanol. So once you're done with the work for the week, you can go explore our Spanish website and go play some games and go practice some words. You don't have to do just one thing. You can go do whatever you want on this page after our agenda for the day. So this week, our video is a little bit more lengthy because I'm explaining things on our website. But the first assignment is going to be to watch our video, which is this one that you're watching right now. I'm going to try and have a video explaining when we have new words to practice, new vocabulary. I'm going to try and do a video so you can actually see me and practice with me the words that I want you to learn. That's your number 1. Your number 2 is you're going to practice your vocabulary on Quizlet. What vocabulary am I talking about? I sent home this worksheet right here. It has 7 verbs, 7 verbos, 7 superverbos. I sent them in a yellow envelope. And this is what I want you to make sure to do. I want you to keep this envelope. Any work I send home, I want you to put it in here because Espanol is all about the practice. And it's all about repeating and making sure we're practicing. And if you keep all your work in here and then in a month, I say, hey, do you remember that worksheet we had with the 7 power verbs? Take that out. You're going to know exactly where it is if you keep everything in your folder. So don't lose your folder and keep all your work in here. So let's go to the Quizlet vocabulary set. And what I want you to do is you're going to practice and repeating the words after me. And these 7 verbs are action verbs, things that you do. These are very common verbs. We call them Super 7 because they are the most used verbs in Espanol. And you're going to learn the verbs in the infinitive form, that's a huge word for you guys. I just want you to memorize these words and remember what they are in English. So you're going to practice saying them. For example, this one right here, tener. Can you repeat after me? Tener. That means to have. Repeat after me again. Tener. Good job. Ser. 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 And that is to be. And you see this picture right here? There's a policeman, there's a chef, there's a teacher. It's to be, and you're describing, for example, an occupation. To be a police officer, to be a chef. Okay? Just remember that. Repeat after me again. Sorry. Ser. Next word. Estar. Estar. Did you repeat after me? Estar. That's also to be. But now, do you see this icon right here? It's when you're talking about feelings. Okay? To be happy. To be. Estar. Querer. Repeat after me. Querer. Querer. And that means to want. To want. Querer. Our next word, gustar. And you probably heard of this word before in a different form. Gustar. It's to like something. And you probably used it in your previous grade with Miss Soto or Miss Hernandez. And you probably practice me gusta. I like. But we're talking about the verb before we conjugated. Gustar means to like. Haber. Repeat after me. Haber. Now, can you hear the H being pronounced? No, huh? Repeat it again. Haber. I'm ignoring that H because the H doesn't have any sound in Spanish. Haber. Just ignore it. Say it again. Haber. That means there is or there are. Haber. And our last word, ir. Ir. Can you repeat after me? Ir. And that's to go. So after you have practiced your vocabulary, you're going to go on your worksheet and you're going to write the words in English. I already have them for you in Espanol. Go write them in English. When you're done with this, put it inside your folder and you're done with your must do. But now you can go play games and you can go practice other vocabulary that you're going to need to learn. You are welcome to play around and email me if you have any questions. And I hope you have fun with Spanish. I will see you next week. Adios.